Hello everyone, my name is Nico Skripnik and I'm going to make a video tutorial how to make repeated background for widget in Kivy. Okay, let's go. Here's the boilerplate Kivy application, and I want to create some scatter plane widget and add it into the application. And as background I want to use this texture, this wood texture. So let's start. First of all, we need to load it into the application, and we may do it with the image class. Just type here the path of the image, for example wood png. Okay, and get the texture of it. And sure, we need to type here something like with self canvas, and add sure some object like rectangle. Okay, and for example set the size about 2048. Okay, and as a texture we need to use uh, this our texture we have uploaded before. Okay, great. And also we need to add some objects from the graphics module to make it work. Okay, here we are. No, it doesn't work. Image is not defined. Sure, we need to import it from the Kivy core image module. Okay, let's do it. And here we are. This is our wood texture, which was adjusted to the size of rectangle, which is the, as you see, 2048. And okay, it's work. But what if we want, for example, to make to get the real size of the wood texture and just repeat it through this background here and here and here? It's not a very complex here. First of all, we need to set the wrap property of the texture to the repeat. Okay, that's very easy, and let's see results. Nothing was changed. So yeah, some other trick of this method is you need to set the UV size of the texture, and you need to change it. First of all, the default size is 1 and 1, and you may see that with this UV size the texture is adjusted for all our rectangle box. But for example, if we'll change it, if we change it for 2 and 2, one second, and we'll see that it was changed, and you see that it was in 2 times smaller than it was before, and it was repeated 4 times. Yeah, right there you may see this part. Also it's just a copy of this part, and here's 2 parts of this wood texture. So okay, here's the um, key things. So you just need to know what is the texture size. For example, right now it's 256, and if you know the size of the background you want to repeat this texture on, you may make some simple calculation, like for example dividing 2048 to 256, and you may see the 8 number, so just type it here and voila, you have whole rectangle uh, with repeated texture, and it's pretty well. You may use it for your own proposals, and it's quite well. Yes, so that's almost all. One thing I just want to say that I didn't get what's the problem with the get region of the texture. So original problem is that on some devices your texture should be your size of the texture should be power of 2, but if you just want to get uh, the power of 2 size texture from the usual texture with get region function, uh, some strange effects appear. For example, that's what I see right now, and it doesn't look like the picture was before, like this one, which is correct. But yeah, I need to figure out with this. But still, in general, you may use just this small trick just to set the wrap property of the texture to repeat and specify the texture UV size, and then just assign this texture to the texture of the rectangle you want to draw, and magic happens here. Okay, thank you very much for attention, and I hope that it will be helpful for you. Bye bye.